In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Desktop to make thumbnail. To get started, open your browser and search for Genspark AI. This is the quickest way to find the official platform if you are starting from scratch. Once the search results appear, click the result for Genspark, described as your all-in-one AI workspace. Make sure you are opening the official site so you can access the correct tools and features. After the site loads, look for the AI image option and click on it. This is the section you will use to create visual content, including thumbnail-style images. If you are new to the platform, take a second to look around so you can get familiar with where the main tools are located. Once you are inside the AI image area, the next step is to type in your prompt. This is where you describe the thumbnail you want the AI to create. You can also upload a photo if you want the design to be based on a specific image, but if you are starting with an idea only, a text prompt works perfectly fine. Try to be clear and specific about the look you want. For example, focus on the subject, colors, style, mood, or overall visual impact. The more descriptive your prompt is, the better your result will usually be. When your prompt is ready, click Submit to generate the image. The platform will then process your request and create your thumbnail concept. Depending on your prompt, you may get a result that is already usable or one that needs a few adjustments. If needed, you can refine your wording and try again to get closer to the style you want. That's the full process for making a thumbnail with Genspark AI Desktop. Keep your prompts simple, clear, and visual, and you'll get better results much faster.